Hi there guys, welcome to Such Is Life, a channel dedicated to exploring the mysteries and complexities of life and philosophy revolving around it. On this channel, we will delve into a variety of topics related to life and how we live it, including personal growth, relationships, and the search for meaning and purpose. Whether you are a seasoned philosopher or just starting to think about the big questions in life, we hope you will join us on this journey of discovery and self-exploration. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the mysteries of life together. In today's video we explore the age-old question of morality and whether it is a social construct developed by humans to safeguard the well-being of a society, or do we see evidence of this in nature? What do AI think of morality and how it should be made to address morality at a point when it needs to? So much to ponder with so little time. So let's start by breaking down some key components of the discussion. Morality is a complex and multifaceted concept that encompasses many different ideas, including ideas about right and wrong, good and bad, and justice and injustice. At its core, morality is a set of guidelines or principles that help individuals and society navigate the complexities of human interactions and relationships. One way to think about morality is as a human social construct. This means that it is a set of beliefs and values that have been developed and shaped by human societies over time. These beliefs and values may be influenced by cultural, religious, philosophical, and other factors, and they can vary significantly from one society to another. One theory for why humans have developed morality as a social construct is that it serves as a means of regulating behavior within a society. In other words, morality provides a set of guidelines for how people should interact with one another, and it serves as a way to promote cooperation and social harmony. For example, moral principles such as do not steal or do not kill help to ensure that individuals in a society can live and work together without fear of being harmed or exploited by others. Additionally, there's also an evolutionary explanation. Morality is thought to have arisen as a way to promote cooperation and coordination among individuals within a group. From an evolutionary perspective, individuals who were able to work effectively with others in their group would have had a greater chance of survival and reproductive success than those who were not. By developing a shared set of moral principles, individuals within a group could better coordinate their actions and pursue common goals. Some experts also believe that moral reasoning and emotions are an outcome of cognitive and emotional capacities that allowed for cooperation, empathy, and mutual aid within and between groups, which gave an evolutionary advantage to the group that had individuals with such capacities. Regardless of the specific reasons, it is clear that morality plays a crucial role in human societies by providing a framework for social interaction and helping to promote cooperation and stability. While morality is often thought of as a human-specific concept, some argue that we can see evidence of moral-like behaviors in other species as well. For example, some researchers have observed evidence of altruism, empathy, and cooperation that has led them to argue that there may be a biological or inherent basis for morality. This idea suggests that certain moral behaviors and principles may be part of our biology as a species, and that they have evolved as a way to promote cooperation and survival within and between groups. Some studies have shown that certain animals exhibit behaviors that are consistent with the principles of human morality, such as empathy, fairness, and a sense of justice. For example, in some primates, individuals have been observed to comfort and assist others who are distressed or in pain, even at a cost to themselves. Similarly, some birds have been observed to engage in cooperative hunting and sharing of food with their group members. However, it is important to note that the question of whether these behaviors can be considered truly moral is still debated. While these behaviors may be similar to human moral behaviors, it is possible that the cognitive and emotional mechanisms underlying these behaviors in animals may be quite different from those of humans. Additionally, whether these behaviors are driven by the same motivations, such as empathy or innate sense of moral principles, or by other factors like instinct, genetic predisposition, or conditioning, can also be debated. One potential explanation of this phenomenon is that some behaviors which we consider moral in humans might also be adaptive and beneficial in other species, and thus, have been selected by evolution. However, it's crucial to note that the complexity and diversity of human morality cannot be directly inferred from observations of moral-like behaviors in other species. As for AI and morality, there are a number of ways in which the two intersect. Some people argue that as AI becomes more advanced, it will be increasingly important to consider the moral implications of its actions and decisions. For example, self-driving cars will have to make ethical decisions, such as deciding which passengers or pedestrians to prioritize if a collision is unavoidable. Similarly, AI-powered medical systems will need to make moral judgments about who should receive limited resources such as vaccines or medical treatments. To the question whether in the future AI can have morality embedded so much so that it becomes indistinguishable to humans, this is a topic of ongoing research and debate. Some argue that it is possible for AI to be programmed with moral principles or values, but others argue that true morality requires a level of consciousness or subjective experience that may not be achievable by machines. AI, being a machine and not a conscious one at that, does not have its own morality for all intents and purposes. That being said, it can be programmed with a set of moral principles or values that it uses to guide its decisions and actions. These principles or values can be based on human moral systems or something different altogether. Needless to say, how any AI is programmed and what its goals are should have general consensus across the board within every stakeholders. If the AI is designed to serve the greater good, then it may be programmed to prioritize moral principles or values that align with that goal. For example, it may be designed to make decisions that maximize overall well-being or minimize harm. However, it is important to note that determining what is the greater good or the right decision in any given situation is often a complex and nuanced process that depends on the specific context and the values of those involved. Additionally, if the AI's objectives are not aligned with human moral values, it may make decisions that humans find morally repugnant. As a result, it's crucial that the AI be programmed to be transparent and explainable in its decision-making process, so that humans can understand and evaluate the moral implications of its actions, and work towards aligning AI's objectives with human moral values. Any attempts by the AI should be subject to proper oversight and governance to ensure that it does not cause harm to humans or society. In situations where moral dilemmas arise and there is a trade-off to be made, an AI may be able to analyze and weigh different options more effectively than humans, but it is still ultimately up to human oversight, or should be, to determine what is deemed morally acceptable. So there you go, folks. Thanks for joining us on Such Is Life channel for this brief thought experiment. We hope that you have enjoyed exploring the mysteries and complexities of life and philosophy with us. Remember, life is a journey of self-discovery and personal growth, and there is always more to learn and discover. We encourage you to continue thinking deeply about the big questions in life and to seek out new experiences and perspectives that can help you to grow and evolve. We look forward to sharing more insights and ideas with you on future episodes of Such Is Life. If you like the content, we would love to hear your comments below, and remember to have a healthy discussion so we all can benefit together. We would appreciate it if you could share, like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be updated with our upcoming thought-provoking discussions on this channel. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the mysteries of life.